Hi everybody, I apologize for the angle. It's like really bad to get it working my kitchen, but I'm Angelica and I just wanted to show you guys how I make my homemade veggie broth. I'm not a big cook by any means, so I don't claim to know these types of things, but so like here I'm making dinner right now, and actually I have like I just cut up some onions and some mushrooms, and when I cut up the ends of the onion, I place them in a freezer bag. So this bag I've been accumulating for a while. You know, anytime I cook something, I put peels in here. So I have like onion peels right now. I have potato peels, ends of broccoli. There's some ends of and seeds from like a red pepper. Just basically anything that's a vegetable that I'm using. Oh, hold on just a second. And so I just add everything that's a vegetable that I'm making, and I just put them on this bag and until it fills up. And so after it's completely full, I go ahead and place it in a big pot, and I just cover it with water. I don't really measure it, but I just cover it with water. And then I boil it, and once it starts boiling, I turn it down and I let it simmer for maybe 30 minutes or so. And then it makes like an awesome veggie broth. So like this is some of it. I've been using it for a while, and it can last, you know, even a week in the fridge. It's great. And if you make too much, you can always freeze it. Sometimes I freeze in ice cube trays. Just have it, you know, ready to use if I know I'm not going to be able to use it all at that time. But anyway, just wanted to let you guys know I'm making a meal from Green Chef, which I love, and it's just nice and easy. Everything comes like this, like chopped, most of it. I had to chop a couple things, but everything comes, you know, in packages, and it just tells me what to do. Tonight I'm making this tempeh with, I don't even know how to say that, show sauce, I don't know. Anyways, it looks delicious and it sounds delicious. Tempeh and mushrooms and udon noodles. So anyways, tell me what you guys are making for dinner. Just wanted to share this with you and let you know that you can make this yourself anytime. So, all right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.